this video, we are going to understand what is dice and methods for solving different types of questions asked with respect to dice. A dice is a cubical or cuboidal shaped objects containing numbers, figures, symbols embedded on their surface. A dice has 6 surfaces, 4 adjacent surfaces and 1 set of opposite surface. What is on the screen is an example of dice with numbers embedded on the surface from 1 to 6, 3 which are visible and 3 which are hidden. Generally, questions from dice is to find a surface which is opposite to the given surface. Based on mathematical calculation, a dice can be classified as standard dice and a general dice. A standard dice is a dice in which sum of any two adjacent surfaces will not be equal to 7 and sum of any two opposite faces will be equal to 7. In this example, 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, 5 plus 3 equal to 8 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The sum of any two adjacent surfaces is not equal to 7. Hence, sum of any two opposite faces will be equal to 7. Hence, the number opposite to 6 will be 1 and number opposite to 3 will be 4. And for 5, the opposite surface will have 2. A general dice is a dice in which sum of any two adjacent surface will be equal to 7. In this example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 5 plus 2 equal to 7 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Sum of any two adjacent surface yields 7 here. Questions related to general dice can be solved by using following methods. When two different positions of a single dice with two common faces are being compared, then the common faces can be eliminated and the corresponding remaining surfaces will be opposite to each other. In this example, the two common faces are 2 and 5, hence eliminated, and the corresponding remaining surfaces 3 and 4 will be opposite to each other. When two different positions of a single die with one common face is being compared and the common face lies at the same surface, then the common surface can be eliminated and the corresponding faces will be opposite to each other. So the opposite of 5 will be 6 here, and opposite of 4 will be 3, and the opposite of 2, which is the left out number, 1. When one common face is present at the different surface, then either of the positions should be selected and the numbers can be rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the common face is made at the same surface and it is eliminated and the corresponding faces will be opposite to each other. In this example, you can select either of the position and rotate the elements clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here, the position 2 has been selected and it is rotated clockwise. So the resultant will be compared with the given position and the common face is present at the same level or eliminated and the corresponding face of 3 will be opposite to 6 and 5 will be opposite to 4 and 2 will be opposite to 1. In this example, the surfaces of the dice are lettered from A to F and 4 different positions of the dice has been given. By applying the before mentioned methods, we will be able to find the opposite face of any given surface. If I am comparing the first and the second, there are two common faces which are B and C and those two common faces are eliminated. So A will be opposite to D. If I am comparing third with the fourth position, there are two common faces which are E and D and those two are eliminated. So C will be opposite to F. So the remaining letter B will be opposite to the left out letter E. When an unfolded dice has been given, each face will be opposite to the alternate face. In this example, 1 will be opposite to 4. Similarly, 5 will be opposite to 2 and the remaining pair 3 will be opposite to 6. In this given example of an unfolded dice, when folded is similar to which option is the question, and it is known that 6 is opposite to 2 and 5 is opposite to 3 and 1 is opposite to 4. We know that adjacent face cannot be an opposite face and opposite face cannot be an adjacent face. By using this, we will be able to deduce the dice which is similar to the given dice. It is known that 6 is opposite to 2, which means 6 cannot be adjacent to 2, so this is the wrong option. Here in the third option, 5 is opposite to 3, but in the given option, 5 is adjacent to 3, hence not the right one. And in the fourth option, 1 should be opposite to 4, but here 1 is adjacent to 4, hence eliminated. So option 2 is similar to the given unfolded dice when folded. By applying the before mentioned methods, the opposite face of any given face can be determined. And that's all about dice. Thank you.